So there's a robin trying to break into our house. That's how we got woke up. Nope, we're back at this one again. Nope. Jeez. I'm gonna pause and go outside a second. Nope, it flew up into the trees. I'm pretty sure it might have to do something with the fact that they're trying to build a nest on our thing again. But I'm just gonna double check to see what's over there. She is on the ground. Here is the window that she's trying to break into for some reason. There is nothing above or below. And the other window she's trying to break into. Nothing over there. What on God's earth? Oh, there's both of them, the mom and the dad. What on earth possessed them to wake us up by banging on the windows trying to break into our house? That is the weirdest thing ever. Alright, stay tuned if there's more.